Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Quora, the popular question and answer website, has announced the launch of its own artificial intelligence (AI) chatbot. ChatGPT. The chatbot is designed to answer users' questions in real time, just like Quora's human users do. According to the company, Poe was trained on a vast amount of data, including thousands of questions and answers from Quora's platform. This allows the chatbot to understand a wide range of topics and provide accurate and helpful responses to users' queries. To use Poe, users simply need to type their question into the chat window and hit send. The chatbot will then provide an answer within seconds, drawing on its extensive knowledge base to provide a response that is as accurate and helpful as possible. Quora's Poe chatbot is just one example of how AI is being used to enhance online experiences. By leveraging the power of machine learning, companies can create chatbots that can understand and respond to users' questions in a natural and intuitive way. In addition to answering questions, Poe can also assist users in finding information on Quora's platform. For example, if a user asks for recommendations for a good book to read, Poe can provide a list of popular book recommendations based on the user's interests and past reading history. Overall, Quora's Poe chatbot is a valuable resource for anyone looking for quick and accurate answers to their questions. Whether you're looking for information on a specific topic or just want to chat with a knowledgeable AI, Poe has you covered.
We hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to create more engaging and informative videos for you. We appreciate you and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future. Thank you again for watching.